Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change Facebook password without old password. So first of all, open your Facebook and log into your account and tap on this three-line icon to the top right corner. Scroll down, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on security and login, change password and tap on forgotten password and select your phone number or email address to get a verification code and tap on continue and enter here the 6-digit verification code. Tap on continue and now enter here your new Facebook password and tap on next and your password will be changed. So that's how you can change Facebook password without old password. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.